The 1974 Plymouth Cuda holds a special place in the muscle car world, even though it's not as iconic as its earlier counterparts. The third-generation Barracuda, which debuted in 1970, originally offered some of the most powerful engine options ever produced by Chrysler, including the 426 Hemi V8 and the 446-pack V8. However, by 1974, the muscle car market was shifting, and high-performance engines like the Hemi were phased out. The 1974 Barracuda models, including the Cuda, were equipped with smaller, less powerful engines, and this marked the end of the golden age for the brand's muscle car lineup. Despite its less aggressive performance specs, the 1974 Plymouth Cuda remains a beloved classic, and this particular example stands out as a rare and intriguing project car. What makes this Cuda even more unique is its stunning Limelight green paint, a bold, high-impact color that was only available for the 1970 model year. Limelight has long been a fan favorite, and it's a rare sight to see it on a 1974 model. Though this particular repaint shows signs of age, with bubbling and rust starting to form around the wheel arches, the bright green finish gives the car an undeniable presence that makes it stand out from the crowd. Stylistically, this Cuda features a tribute to the AAR Cuda, with black beltline graphics, as well as blacked-out hood and fenders. However, the original rear fender decals are absent, which gives the car a slightly unique vibe compared to the traditional AAR look. While some of the cosmetic touches may be different, the heart of this project car lies in its potential and history. Under the hood, the 1974 Cuda was originally equipped with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine, the base engine for that year's model. The 318 V8 produced only 150 net horsepower, a stark contrast to the powerhouses of the past, such as the 446-pack and the legendary Hemi. Alongside the V8, the Cuda came with a 3-speed automatic transmission, which was the most common option in 1974. While the original engine and drivetrain have been removed from this car, the seller still has the radiator and rear end, which could be useful in restoring the Cuda. Although the car is missing its original powertrain, it's not without value. The seller has already made significant improvements to prepare the car for a restoration, including replacing the braking system, shocks, gas tank, and even the floor pans. The interior has been stripped down, but most of the essential components remain, providing a solid foundation for a full restoration. While there are some areas of rust to address, especially around the trunk and floor pans, the frame itself remains strong, making this Cuda a viable project car for the right buyer. Currently located in Pollock Pines, California, this 1974 Plymouth Cuda is up for auction, with a current bid of $8,300. The reserve price has not been met, but given the rarity of the Limelight paint and the fact that this is one of the last remaining Cudas from the 1974 production year, this project car offers an exciting opportunity for muscle car restoration enthusiasts. For those looking to restore this Cuda to its former glory, there are many options. The 318 engine can easily be replaced with another small block V8, but for enthusiasts seeking more power, a 440 big block engine would make an exciting addition and would bring the car closer to its original muscle car roots. Alternatively, modern crate engines could be swapped in to give the car a more contemporary, high-performance feel, blending classic style with modern power. Whether it's the right time for a full restoration or a more modern performance build, this 1974 Plymouth Cuda offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. With its unique Limelight color and project car potential, this Cuda is a promising restoration project for those passionate about muscle cars and automotive history.